Hi, this is Francis from Easel. Today we're going to be talking about something that we see a little bit in the technical support department, and it's revolves around two-stage carving. And essentially, what that looks like is you go to run a two-stage carve, you've got everything set up, you click on Carve, you go through the entire carve setup, and then the machine will indicate that there's nothing to carve. And this happens in a very specific instance, and I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like, and then kind of talk about why it happens and how to fix it. So I've got this project right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Carve and just move through the Carve setup. I'll select roughing pass, confirm my bit, use a new position, raise the bit, attach the dust use trap, spindles on, and click Carve. And then you'll get this error, and it says there's nothing to carve. The design contains objects that are not able to cut with the current settings. The detail bit may also be sufficient for doing both the roughing and the detail pass. And that's the key point there, is that the detail bit may be sufficient for both. So we'll go back to edit project. And what I'm going to do is, let me reload it here. I'm going to simulate it. And when I simulate my project, we can see the toolpath starts with this green line and moves out and begins to carve. And whenever we simulate a project, the roughing bit is always shown by a red line and then moving into a carve. And the detail bit is shown by a green line moving into the carve. And so essentially what's happening is Easel is only simulating the detail pass for this carve. And so that it's determined that that's sufficient enough for the entire carve. And we don't even need two bits, we can just do one detail bit. So what you can do to fix this is remove the detail bit and change the singular bit to a 30-degree V bit. And then when I simulate that, now it's showing that toolpath using the red line since it's just one bit now. And when I go through the carve setup, everything starts to carve just fine. So if you run into that issue, typically it means that the detail bit that you have selected is sufficient for everything. And you just need to make that adjustment in the project, and then you're ready to carve. Have a wonderful day.
To learn more, head over to easel.com.